Hi guys, welcome back to Daniel's Tech World here on YouTube. My name is Daniel Rosehill. This is my tech corner of the internet where we talk about technology and a lot of it as it relates to Linux. And recently I've done a lot of videos about optical media for backup and archiving. And there's just one little touch I wanted to put on this archive of videos, and that is how would you go about splitting a file over multiple disks. So I chose for the purpose of this demo a 1.1 gigabyte movie from the Library of Congress, their public domain movie library. But what I'm really thinking of here is much bigger size. The biggest, we talked about in the last video, the biggest Blu-rays on the market being 128 gigabytes from Sony. Easier to find the 100 gigabytes. Let's just say we have a 100 gigabyte BDXL media. And we have a big, huge file of, 150 gigabytes. What can we do about this? And it's one file. It's not an archive. It's a, gigantic file of some kind. So what we can do is splitting and combining. Now, we can do this through the command line on Ubuntu. But I'm going to show you guys today the way that if you want to use a GUI. So the tool I'm using here it looks a bit old school, and it is a bit old school, but it's called p7zip desktop. It's a snap package, so you just need to install the snap package manager, then do this. And I have it up here, so let's go into it. So here's my file master hands. This is the movie. And let's say we want to get this down to CD size chunks. Okay. So I want to go for file, then I want to go to split file, and it says where do you want to put it, and I just made a new directory for the sake of ease, and then it says, well, what kind of divisions, what chops do you want? So you can go for in CD 650 or 700. There's also ones for DVD, DVD-L, BD, for regular Blu-ray. I don't see ones for Blu-ray dual layer or Blu-ray triple or quad layer, so I'm not sure if that's an option. But let's just look at the CD options. So let's go for 650. Why would you want to do 650 and not 700? You might want to leave a bit of parity data on each of these, and that gives you a bit of room for 50 megs of it. So I'm going to say, okay, split this movie up into 650 chunks, 650 megabyte chunks. We got two chunks, as you'd expect. Two chunks. The first one is 681 megabytes and the second one is 544. Now what we would do is burn these on two CDs. How do we do that? We can just drop each of these files onto a different CD and burn the CD. I always say, even though it's self-evident that the CD burning software cares about putting ones and zeros onto physical media. The fact that this is a .001 extension that doesn't really exist is immaterial. So, okay, we have our two split files now. So let's say we get them back, and now we want to put them together to get our movie. So just to show you the magic, I'm going to delete the original movie so we don't make it easier for ourselves. So that's gone. So now our only hope of getting the movie back is by combining. So the way this works is you click on the first one that's called .001, then you go File, Combine, and it says where do you want to put these two. So it's automatically detected that there is 0.001 and 0.002 based on the way the files are written. And yeah, that sounds good to me. And again, it's pretty much instantaneous or very close to instantaneous. And if we go back to the movie folder, we have our movie again. And again, to be thorough, I'm going to delete these split files. So the only thing we have now is this file that was reconstructed from the split files. And I'm going to open it up in a media player. And we can see we're now playing the movie. And I'm just going to go towards the end of the movie, which is presumably from the second split file. Just picking random places to go. It's a black and white movie, as you can see. So that's it. So if you have a movie that won't fit on one, whatever optical media you're using, you can do this via the command line. Or if you want to use a GUI, go for p7zip. There's probably other ones out there, but this is one that'll get the job done. And it seems like magic. You can store these CDs on totally different continents, take them back, put them together, and you've got your movie again. Pretty cool, I think. Thanks for watching. Hope this is interesting. If you want to get new videos from me, sign up for notifications here on YouTube.